In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create focused time blocks in Notion Calendar. If you've ever watched a day slip by without touching your most important work, this simple workflow will help you protect your attention and plan deep work like any other meeting. Start by opening your Notion calendar on the web or desktop. Both versions work the same for this, so use whichever you prefer. With your calendar open, pick the day and time when you want to focus. Click and drag across that time range, just like you would when scheduling a meeting. This creates a new event you can shape into a dedicated focus block. Give the event a clear, consistent name so it stands out. Focus time or deep work are great options, but you can tailor it to your style. Using action-oriented names like Focus, Write Report, or Deep Work, Design Review makes your intention obvious at a glance. If you want extra clarity, add a short description. List the key tasks you intend to complete or the outcome you're aiming for. This helps you start fast when the block begins and keeps you honest about scope. If you're using a projects database in Notion, you can attach a tag or relate the event to a specific project. That way, your focus time stays connected to the work it serves, and you can filter or review it later. Choose a color for the event that signals "Do Not Disturb" to you. Something bold and consistent makes it easier to spot across your week. Next, fine-tune the start and end times to match the length you need. Many people find 60 to 120 minutes ideal for deep work, but adjust to fit your energy and schedule. Build in a small buffer before and after if possible, so you can ramp up and wind down without overlap. If you plan to focus at the same times each day or week, set the event to repeat. Choose a daily or weekly recurrence that reflects your routine. Recurring focus blocks reduce decision fatigue and make your calendar a reliable map for your best work. You can always update individual instances later if something changes. Once saved, your focus block appears on your calendar like any other event and visually reserves that time. Treat it as a real appointment with yourself. When it starts, open the event, glance at your description, and get to work. With consistent naming, helpful notes, and a clear color, your calendar becomes a powerful ally in protecting uninterrupted time for meaningful progress.